Hello everyone, I am Yes. Welcome back to the day 12 of 30-day coding challenge in Java programming. In this program, we will find the sorted array from the unsorted array list using quicksort. Like merge sort, quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It picks an element as pivot and partitions the given array around the picked pivot, then find the sorted list. You can see the screen. This is the way to how to work quicksort algorithm. Here we take the unsorted list. This is the program. Here we take the unsorted list. Let's run this program. Sorted arrays 1, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the output. We take the another example. In this program, we have to find the duplicate element in the array list. For example, we have the number of elements n equal to 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 6, 1. In this list, the number 1, 3 and 6 appears more than 1 in the array. The output is 1, 3 and 6. This is the code. Here we take the array list. Let's run this program. Duplicate elements 2 and 3. In this array list, 2 and 3 is appears more than 1. This is the output. We take the another example. This is another example of array based program. In this program, we have to find the count of pairs with the given sum. We take the example. For example, an array of n integers and integer k equal to 6 is given, then the task is to find the number of pairs of integer in the array whose sum is equal to the k, that is 6. The pairs with sum 6 are 1 and 5 and the 7 and minus 1. This is the code. Let's run this program. Count of pairs is 3. Here the array list k equal to 6. The pair with sum 6 are 1 and 5, 7 and minus 1 and again 1 and 5. This is the output. The count of pairs is 3. We take the another example. In this program, we have to find the missing number. For example, given an array of size n minus 1 with integer in the range of 1 and n, the task is to find the missing number from the first n integers. We must keep in the mind that there should not be the n duplicate elements in the list. In this example, the size of the array is 8, so the range will be 1 to 8. The missing number between 1 to 8, that is 5. This is the program code. Here is the array list in the range of 1 to 7. We run this program. The missing number in the array list is 4. We take the another example. In this program, the task is to cyclically rotate the given array list clockwise by one time and find the output. You can see this example. Here is the array list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After cyclic rotation, we get the output 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the code. Simply run this program. Given array is this and rotated array is this. This is the output. That's all for today. Thank you.